Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can build an Airtable form and then use the form submissions to build your database. So all you have to do is to first create a form. So you would have to open the base in which you want to create form. Then you have to create this form button, then create new view, and it will create a form. As you can see, it has created a basic form. Now you can customize your form by adding your logo or cover image, and you can add the questions that you like. To add a question, you select it, and you can delete it, or you can modify it by just removing it and adding anything. You can mark it as required, and you can basically play with it. And once you are happy with your form, all you have to do is you have to now you have to go to automations. So on the top there is this button that says automations. You basically have to press this automation button, and here you get this option. So got it. So the first one is the trigger one. So all you have to do is you have to click on the trigger, and as you can see, I have already selected in my trigger type when a form is submitted. There are a lot of options, but you have to select when a form is submitted, and you have to then select a table in which you have that form. You have to then select the form. This is the form that we just created, and then you can use a suggested record, or you can, that's it, perfect. Now what you have to do is you have to press this button that says add advanced logic or action, and here you can basically do a couple of actions, like you can send an email, you can create or update record, you can find record, you can run a script or generate with AI. But for this one, let's say we want to create record. Click this one, and here in the action details, here you can add the description if you like, but I'm just gonna skip it. In configuration, you can configure when it's gonna run, and then you can select the table, and you can choose the fields that should be created. I'm gonna select the name field and select her, and you basically have to map the data from here in the relevant field. So in the name field there is this name, Josh Clients. I'm gonna add it here, and then I'm gonna click this button that says generate a preview, and as you can see the test is in progress and it says record created. So that's perfect. It is now working. Now all I have to do is to press this button to turn this automation on, and as you can see the automation is now on and working. So now whenever someone submits a form, their name will be added into the database. You can add other fields as well by pressing add field, and you can add other fields like name, email, and whatever you like by clicking here, and you can add their email and other fields as well. And that's it, guys. So this is how you create a form to fill in database. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.